Question number 1 is here, work out 0.01 square. We will take the square of 0.01 here after multiplying 0.01 with 0.01. We can see that we have two decimal places in first and two decimal places in second term. So when we are going to multiply these two numbers, we will get 1 ones are 1 and it will be equals to 0.0001. So there are four decimal places in the square value of 0.01 square, that is 2 plus 2. Now here are some example. We will take the square of 0.5. First of all, we will multiply 5 with 5, so it will become 25. And as we know that there is only one decimal place, so in the answer we will have two decimal places. So first decimal place, second decimal place, and mark the decimal before two digits. So it will be 0.25. Now if we are going to take the square of 0.06, we have two decimal places here, and in the square value we have four decimal places. So multiply 6 with 6, that is 36, and to make the four decimal places we will add two more zeros with 36, so it will become 0036. Mark decimal sign and we have 0 at the whole place. Now in the third example we have, second question is, write 57.3997 to four significant figures. So the first four significant figures are 5739. So we will round off 57.3997 up to two decimal places. So it will become 57.3997. The third digit is 9, that is greater than 5. So we will add 1 in the previous digit, the second decimal place. So it will become 40. So rounded figure will be 57.40 up to four significant digits. In question number 3, Amy wants to convert 250 euros into dollars. The exchange rate is 1 euro is equals to $1.10. So key is here, 1 euro is equals to $1.10. To get the value of 250 euros into dollars, we will multiply 250 euros with the rate. Rate is $1.10. So I will multiply 250 with $1.10. First of all, I will convert 1.10 into fraction form. It will be 110 by 100. The steps are very simple here. I will cancel out zeros with zeros. So just left is 25 and 11. So I will take the product of 25 and 11 here. So multiply 25 with 11. It will be 25 and 25. Put 0 here. 5, 7 and 2, 75. So we can say that the 250 euros are equals to $275. In question number 4, in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. And D is a point which divides the triangle ABC in two triangles. Here angle ABC is equals to 61 degree and angle ADC is equals to 81 degree. And we have to calculate angle DAC. To get the value of angle DAC, we will consider that as AB is equals to AC, so the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So here angle ABC is equals to 61 degree. So angle ACB will also equals to 61 degree. It is an isosceles triangle, and in isosceles triangle we have two equal sides and two equal angles opposite two equal sides. So in triangle ADC we have two given angles, that are 81 and 61, and we have to calculate the third angle. So we can use the property of angles, that angle, if I consider it that it is x, then angle x plus 81 degree plus 61 degree is equals to 180 degree. The sum of the angles of any triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now we will add 81 and 61. It will be 142 degree equals to 180 degree. To get the value of x, we will shift plus 140 on other side of the equality sign, or we will subtract 142 from both sides of the equation. So it will be equals to 180 degree minus 142 degree. After subtracting 142 from 180, we will get that 38 degree. So the value of x, or the value of angle DAC is equals to 38 degree. The next question is convert 0.17 meter square into centimeter square. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. If we will take the square of both sides, then it will become 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. If we want to convert 0.17 meter square into centimeter square, we will multiply both sides by 0.17 to get the value of meter square into centimeter square. So multiply 0.17 with 1 meter square and 0.17 with 10,000 centimeter square. It will be equals to convert it into fraction form, then multiply it by 10,000 centimeter square. We will cancel out two zeros. Left is 17 into 100, that is equals to 1700 centimeter squares. Question number 6. Mass of solid metal cuboid is 4 kg. Volume of cuboid is 600 centimeter cube, and we have to calculate density of the metal in grams per centimeter cube. And we know that density is equals to mass divided by volume. That is the formula. We can see that the mass of the solid metal cube is in kg. So we will convert kg into grams. As we know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So 4 kg will be equals to 4 multiplied by 1000 grams equals to 4000 grams. Now we will apply the formula. Density is equals to mass divided by volume. So mass is here 4000 grams and divided by volume, that is 600 centimeter cube. Now divide 4000 with 600, cancel out zeros. Left is 40 by 6 gram per centimeter cube. Now we can convert 40 by 6 into fraction form. That is equals to 6 whole 4 by 6 grams per centimeter cube. We can cancel out 4 and 6 with each other. Then it will be 6 whole 2 by 3 grams per centimeter cube. Question number 7. Vector u is equals to 3 and minus 2 and component of vector v are minus 12 and 5. We have to calculate u minus 2v. So we will write the value of u here, 3 minus 2, subtract 2 times vector v, that is minus 12 and 5. So it will become 3 minus plus, 12 twos are 24, and minus 2 minus 5 twos are 10. We will multiply 2 inside the bracket, that is 12 and 5 with the component of v. Then it will become 27 and minus 12. In this next part, they are asking about the magnitude of v. As we know that components of vector v are minus 12 and 5. So minus 12 is showing the value of x here and 5 is the value of y. As we know that magnitude of v will be equals to x square plus y square. So x is here minus 12, take the square of minus 12, and square of y, that is 5 square. As we know that 12 square is equals to 12 into 12, and minus into minus will give us positive sign. So it will be 144, and square of 5 is 25. Adding both we will get 169, and square root of 169 is equals to 13. We will write it 13 into 13, that is 13 square. Taking square root of 13 square, square will be cancelled by square root. So left answer is 13. So magnitude of v is equals to 13. In question number 9, T1 is equals to 17, T2 is equals to 12, T3 is equals to 7, T4 is equals to 2. And we have to calculate here T5. We can see that if we subtract 5 from 17, we will get 12. And if we subtract 5 from 12, we will get 7. And subtracting 5 from 7, we will get 2. So if we subtract 5 from 2, then we will get minus 3. So fifth term of this sequence is minus 3. As we have a common difference in all terms, so it is a arithmetic series. And if we want to find the nth term of the arithmetic series, we will apply the formula Tn is equals to A1 or T1. A1 is showing here first term, that is 17, and plus n minus 1 d. D is here the common difference in between all terms, that is minus 5. So D is here minus 5 and A1 is here 17. A1 is this first term. So I will put the value here, 17 plus n minus 1, and D is here minus 5. Now multiply minus 5 inside the bracket. We will get 17 plus minus 5n and plus 5. Now open the bracket. It will be 17 plus minus minus. It will be minus 5n and plus 5. And 17 plus 5 will give you 22. So 22 minus 5n is the nth term of the given sequence. So here T n is equals to 22.5n, means nth term of the sequence is 22 minus 5n. Work out 2 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 2. These are mixed number. First of all, we will convert it into improper fraction. So multiply 3 with 2 and add 2 in the product. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 will gives you 8, and denominator is here 3, plus multiply 2 with 3. 3 2s are 6. Add 1, that is 7. So it will become 7 by 2. Now we want to add two fractions that are in improper form. For addition, we will make its numerator common. We will take LCM of 3 and 2, that is the product of both prime numbers. If we want to get the LCM of two prime numbers, then it will be the product of both numbers. So LCM is here 2 into 3, that is 6. So we will make their denominator common by multiplying 3 with 2 and 8 with 2. So it will be equals to 16 by 6. Again, here to get 6, we will multiply 2 with 3 and 7 with 3. So 7 3s are 21 and 3 2s are 6 is here. Now we have common denominator here. We will add its numerator directly. 16 plus 21 divided by 6. If we add 16 and 21, we will get 37 by 6. Now we will convert it into mixed number form. We will divide 37 with 6. It will be 6 6 are 36. Subtract it, remainder is 1. So in mixed number form, we can write 37 by 6 as 6 whole 1 by 6. So its answer is 6 whole 1 by 6.